I'm Jennifer, and today I'm making a 4-ingredient lemon bread. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We only need 4 ingredients to make this wonderful, easy lemon bread: sweetened condensed milk, eggs, lemons, and self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, I'll put a recipe down below so you can quickly and easily put some together and make some yourself. I'm gonna get busy zesting my lemon. I need 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to get busy and squeeze the lemon. I need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Let's get busy putting this recipe together. The first thing I'm going to do is put my eggs in this large bowl. We'll need 3 large eggs. We'll put in our sweetened condensed milk. This recipe only takes minutes to put together. Now that we have our sweetened condensed milk, let's go ahead and put in our lemon zest. Now let's get this whisk up and get it all mixed together. We'll pour in our lemon juice, 1/4 cup, and get this mixed in. And there we have it. In just a couple of seconds, it's all mixed together. Now it's time to add in our self-rising flour. The lemon smell is wonderful. Now we'll start adding in 1 1/4 cups of our self-rising flour. We'll get this mixed up real quick, and then it'll be time to put them in our containers and get them ready to bake in the oven. I have a couple of friends that have just come back into town. They've both been on vacation, and I'm gonna have this special treat of lemon bread to share with them when they get home. I bought a couple of really cute little disposable containers. They're bread loaves, and they'll be perfect to give them the little lemon bread in. And that way, they won't have any kind of a container to return or to wash after they've had their special lemon bread. These are the cute little disposable baking trays that I bought, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up a measuring cup with my batter. You can pour this right out of the bowl if you're confident, but I'm gonna just take this. I wanna fill this halfway. I don't wanna overfill it because I don't want it to start overflowing. This will be a really nice surprise and little treat for my friends when they get home. They'll have something to have for breakfast tomorrow since they have flights that are getting in so late this evening. I'm also gonna be making a little loaf of lemon bread for my neighbor. I know my husband Alan would like some lemon bread as well, so I'm going to put some in this little baking dish and make him his own little mini loaf of lemon bread. My oven is preheated to 350. I'm going to get my lemon breads in the oven and start baking. Our lemon bread is out of the oven. Because the containers are so small, it only took about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the toothpick came out clean, I knew our little lemon breads were done. Now I'll let them cool and we'll make a glaze to put on top. While the lemon bread is cooling, I'm going to make some super cute little welcome home cards and little tags to attach to the little gift bags with the lemon bread. Let's start making our beautiful glaze to put on top of our wonderful little lemon breads. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar and a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'll get these mixed together, and our glaze is just that easy. It'll also have a wonderful lemony taste, just like our little lemon breads. Mix it up and make sure you have all the lumps out. Now all we have to do is drizzle this beautiful glaze over the top of our little lemon breads. One nice thing about these little containers, it'll hold all of this wonderful lemony glaze right inside. Put on as much or little as you would like. You can also spread this out with a little spatula. If you don't want to have the little drizzle going back and forth, if you'd like a full coverage top, you can just spread it right out. And there we have it. Our breads are all glazed. And now I'll let this sit up before I package our little lemon breads. I have my lemon bread all ready to go. Now all I need to do is go get these delivered. I am so happy you are here today. I hope you give this recipe a try and realize just how easy and how delicious it is. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.